Imagine waking up each day, knowing that money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool for living the life you've always dreamed of. Financial freedom isn't just a distant fantasy, it's a roadmap with 7 distinct milestones. In today's video, we're breaking down these 7 levels of financial freedom so you can start your journey towards a life where your finances work for you, not the other way around. Level 1 is clarity. This is where your journey begins, understanding your current financial situation. It's all about knowing where you stand with your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Without clarity, it's impossible to move forward. At this stage, you take a close look at every aspect of your financial life. Think of it as laying the foundation for your financial future. You'll start by gathering all your financial documents, bank statements, payslips, bills, and credit card statements. This process can feel overwhelming, but it's crucial to map out where you currently are. You'll need to know your net income, what you earn after taxes and other deductions. Next, assess your expenses, both fixed and variable, and identify a clarity is not just about numbers, it's about awareness. It's about understanding your financial habits and behaviors. Are you spending more than you earn? Are there areas where you can cut back? Clarity allows you to answer these questions and sets the stage for making informed financial decisions. Beyond the numbers, clarity involves a deeper awareness of how your financial choices align with your values and goals. This means reflecting on your spending habits. Are they in line with what truly matters to you? Perhaps you'll discover that you're spending too much on things that don't add value to your life. Or maybe you'll realize there's room to save more effectively. This stage is about confronting the reality of your financial behaviors and recognizing the areas that need adjustment. Wit. Achieving clarity might require making some tough decisions. You may need to make changes, whether it's cutting back on non-essential expenses or finding ways to increase your income. But remember, clarity isn't about perfection. It's about being honest with yourself. This level provides the foundation upon which all other levels are built. As you gain clarity, you might uncover areas of your financial life that need significant changes. Perhaps you'll decide to cancel unused subscriptions, dine out less frequently, or set a budget for discretionary spending. On the other hand, you might identify opportunities to boost your income, such as taking on a side hustle or seeking a raise at work. It's important to approach this process with honesty and flexibility, acknowledging that adjustments are part of the journey. Achieving clarity doesn't mean having everything perfectly in order. It's about understanding your starting point and committing to making continuous improvements. Level 2 is self-sufficiency. At this stage, you're able to cover your basic living expenses without any external help. You've taken control and are managing your finances independently. Reaching self-sufficiency means you've developed the ability to rely on your own resources to meet your day-to-day needs. You're no longer dependent on loans, credit cards, or financial support from others to make ends meet. This stage is about establishing a stable financial base, where your income consistently covers essential expenses such as housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. You've created a budget that works, ensuring that your money is allocated wisely to cover these necessities. By achieving self-sufficiency, you gain confidence in your financial management skills, knowing that you have control over your financial situation. Self-sufficiency also means having a cushion for unexpected expenses. You've built a small emergency fund that allows you to handle life's surprises without falling back into debt. Whether it's a car repair or a medical bill, you're prepared to face these challenges head-on. Being self-sufficient isn't just about covering your regular expenses, it's also about being prepared for the unexpected. At this stage, you've likely started building an emergency fund, a financial safety net designed to cover unforeseen expenses like a sudden car repair, a medical emergency, or a temporary loss of income. This fund is crucial because it prevents you from resorting to debt when life throws you a curveball. Typically, an emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses. By having this financial buffer in place, you gain peace of mind. knowing that you're equipped to handle emergencies without derailing your progress. Level 3 is breathing room. Here, you have money left over after covering your expenses. It's the first sign of financial breathing space, allowing you to start building a buffer for the unexpected. Reaching the breathing room stage signifies that you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. After covering all your essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation, you find yourself with extra money at the end of the month. This surplus represents your first real taste of financial freedom, where you're not just surviving, but beginning to thrive. This extra cash flow is crucial because it opens up opportunities to improve your financial situation. You can start by creating a dedicated savings account for emergencies, ensuring that you're better prepared for unexpected events. This buffer reduces financial stress, providing you with a sense of security and peace of mind. Breathing room allows you to plan for the future. With this extra money, you can start saving for specific goals, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or even an investment account. This stage marks the beginning of proactive financial planning. Having breathing room also allows you to make better financial decisions. With the pressure lifted, you're no longer forced to make short-term choices out of necessity. Instead, you can think long-term, making decisions that align with your goals and values. Level 4 is stability. You've paid off high-interest debts and have established an emergency fund. This level represents a solid foundation, ensuring you can handle financial surprises without stress. Reaching the stability level means you've successfully eliminated high-interest debts, which are often the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. By paying off these debts, such as credit card balances or high-interest loans, you've freed up more of your income for savings and investments, rather than interest payments. At this stage, you've also established a fully funded emergency fund, typically covering 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund is your financial safety net, designed to protect you from unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent home repairs. With high-interest debts behind you and an emergency fund in place, you've built a solid financial foundation that significantly reduces stress and increases your confidence in handling whatever life throws your way. Level 5 is flexibility. With no high-interest debt and some investments working for you, you have the freedom to make choices, like taking a trip, changing careers, or investing in something new without financial worry. With no high-interest debt holding you back, you've eliminated one of the biggest sources of financial stress. Your investments are now working for you, generating passive income that increases your financial security. This level of financial freedom allows you to make choices based on what you want, not just what you can afford. You could decide to take that dream trip, knowing your finances are stable and your investments are still growing. Flexibility is about having options and the financial freedom to explore them, turning dreams into achievable goals. Level 6 is financial independence. You've built enough wealth that your investments generate enough income to cover your living expenses. Work becomes optional at this stage. You're living off your investments. Your investments have grown to the point where they cover all your living expenses, allowing you to live comfortably without relying on a traditional paycheck. Financial independence means your money is working for you, giving you the ultimate control over your time and lifestyle. Level 7 is abundant wealth. Financially independent individuals often rely on the 4% rule, a guideline suggesting you can safely withdraw 4% of your investment portfolio each year, adjusted for inflation, without running out of money. While some experts debate whether 4% is the right figure, with some suggesting it should be closer to 3.3%, this rule of thumb helps calculate your FIRE number, the amount needed to retire comfortably. Abundant wealth is having more money than you'll ever need, where financial worries no longer impact your daily life. What level are you on? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-related videos, where we show you how to make money, save money, or make your financial lives easier.